Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix low volume problem on SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So, the low volume problem is very common, and usually all you want to do is you want to press either of the volume buttons here in the right side of your phone, then click three dots, and you just want to make sure that your volume bars are pretty high up. If you have something like this, then you will have the low volume problem because everything is set to low. However, there is also the other part of this issue. You'll notice that my audio is actually not playing on my phone, instead it's playing on my earbud here that, let's say, I have accidentally left on. So if you want to reroute it back to your phone, you want to simply change it to this phone, or alternatively you can just turn off your Bluetooth completely. So let's hit done, and let's disable the Bluetooth, and now we are making sure that our audio is playing through our speakers, not through our earbud that could be, I know, in our pocket or whatever. However, if you have done that and you have still troubles with your low volume problem, then I will just advise you to fix your speaker. Usually it's just have some sort of mud inside or dust or other kind of debris, and you want to clean it using too soft toothbrush or like wooden toothpick at best. Please do not use anything metallic, so you don't want to use any kind of needle, any kind of pin. No, these are metallic, and if you try to use them for cleaning your speaker, you will this will probably result in more harm than good. But generally speaking, this should fix all of your issues. If you still have some speaker related issues, you can always just reboot your speaker, and you can do that by rebooting your whole device. You can do that by expanding the control center twice, then clicking the power icon in the bottom right corner, and then going into restart, because restarting your device will not only restart the software, but hardware as well, including the speakers. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.